Alright, just going to have a quick look at this LA30. It's a Nissan Cefiro. It's a 2-litre, 6-cylinder, single cam, non-turbo, manual transmission. Quite a rare car. I've sent a few of these overseas so far. This is like an SE model. So it's missing the turbo and all that stuff, but a lot of guys do the conversions. Being a manual, factory manual, this one would suit a conversion quite well. There's a few problems with the car. It's 95,000 K. You can see that just the paint condition is just starting to go on the mirrors. The roof is very dry, patchy feeling, especially over the other side. Wheels are the silver metallic, starting to get a little bit crazy cracked. There's a little bit of damage there on the bumper. See the boot there, it's typically going a bit faded. Probably polish up though. Another big scratch right underneath here, you can see that. Light's a bit funny in this building, so sorry for that. I'll get round to this. It's the worst part of the paint here on the roof. The clear is definitely gone in that area. You can see it's going to need repainting, at least the roof on this car, and the mirrors. Open the engine compartment and give you a bit of a look. It is a A31 DE single cam 2-litre. Quite a smooth engine. There's the bin plate. It's quite clean underneath for rust. There's a bit of brown stain on some of the suspension parts, but apart from that it's quite clean. It's a 93 model, this car, so can't really go into Australia or anywhere, but there's a few people have asked me a few questions about it so far today. So just wanted to do this video. Nobody's put down a deposit or anything, so I'm not really going to bid. It did get sold at HA Kobe last week, so you know, the broker's bought the car. He's trying to make a few dollars on it. It's typically what happens at HA Kobe. Interior condition is very clean and tidy. It's missing a vent around the surround to there. Yeah, it's, interior is not too bad. Could use a bit of a clean, but it's not bad for the age. I hope you can see that okay. Just wanted to do this quick video because you know, the last one of these cars we saw a year ago, so they're not easy to find now. Most of them have been exported or wrecked for parts. Anyway, there you go. Some of the rusty suspension parts I was talking about. It's not too bad. There you go. Just a quick look at the steering wheel from this side. Really graded this one here. It's a 3.5B. Which I think is quite fair for the age. go. Alright. Leave your comments below and like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. We'll keep doing them. Need some subscriptions to keep it all going though. Thanks for watching.